The heavens are declaring knowledge of the Holy One. Study the heavens. You will know who He is.
I can't see y'all, but could you give them a hand? Could you just give all our Christians to shine our light? So this Christmas, shine on. Love you all. Have a good evening.